Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now here we have a much sought after car from Vauxhall. It's the Vauxhall Corsa SXI 1.4 petrol. It's 3-door and it's got air conditioning. The year is 2014 and it's on a 14 plate. Come and take a close look. It's finished in a beautiful metallic black. Beautiful long sort of teardrop headlights, extra driving lights in the front. The alloy wheels are in great condition. It has the side repeater indicators on the door, on the panel. On the door we've also got the colour-coded door mirrors, capped in the same colour as the body. Let's take a look inside. Firstly, the car comes with 2 keys. On the door we've got electric windows in the front and also electric mirrors. If we look inside, the first thing that takes our eye is the multifunction steering wheel. And around the cluster of instruments around it, you've also got cruise control. They are on the end of the light stalk. The light controls are easy, defined, easy to see, easy to use. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got Bluetooth connectivity, radio CD player, air conditioning we've already said, a well cared for motor car. The seats are cloth, they are Recaro style, and on the driver's seat you've also got height adjustment as well. It's a beautiful vehicle. It's got excellent service history. If we go to the rear, let's have another look at these wheels. Great condition. The tyres are in good condition as well, all round. To the rear of the driver's seat, you've also got privacy glass. On the rear screen, you also have a wiper. The engine size again is 1.4. Let's take a look in the boot area. Now that's a proper sensible sized boot. The back seat you've got a 60-40 split. And if we look right inside, it looks really like the boot area's never really had much in the way of use. Now what we try to do at Getaroundcars, we try to sort of give an honest and accurate description of all our vehicles, purely and simply to help with your decision making. Now some facts and figures for you. The CO2 rating is 129. Now that means your road tax is only £130 a year. Fuel figures. Urban, you can expect 40.4 miles to the gallon. Extra urban, 61.4 miles to the gallon. And combined, a staggering 51.4. With a top speed of 107 miles an hour. Now, for a little sporty hatch, that's a great combination. All our vehicles come with a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, again, don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. While we're on this side, let's have a look on the passenger side. Let's open the door. There's no cuts, there's no tears, there's no rips, there's no stains on the seat. It's in good condition. Now, if we're looking for any damage on any of the wheels, the most obvious one is always going to be the near side front. That's the one that will sometimes hit the curb. On the very outer edge, there's a slight scuff, and that means absolutely nothing. Purely cosmetic. You wouldn't do anything with that. I have to tell you these things because otherwise you'll be looking for them when you come. So, if you're interested, you know what to do. Pick up the phone, give me a call, make an appointment. Please come and have a test drive. We'd love to see you. My name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 85 8066. Thank you for watching.